Welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss 15 MCQs on modern India. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 8th practice set on modern India. So the first question is, Indian Patriotic Association was founded by whom? Options are Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Theodore Beg, Jamaluddin Afghani, Badruddin Tayyabji. So the correct answer is going to be Theodore Beg. He founded this association in the year 1888 and Theodore Beg was very close to Syed Ahmad Khan and he also served as a principal in the college established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the year 1875. Next question is, Governor General associated with the Simla deputation is option R Lord Curzon, Minto, Wellesley and Canning. So this Simla deputation is very important. It was held in the year 1906 and this deputation had total 35 members and the leader was Aga Khan. So the correct answer is going to be Lord Minto. He was the one Governor General to whom this delegation of 35 people went and they demanded lots of things of Muslim interest. Next question is, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College was established in Aligarh in which year? Options are 1869, 72, 75 and 1888. So it was established in the year 1875 and the founder was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question is, the first Muslim organization was? Options are Mohammedan Literary Society, Mohammedan Association, Central National Mohammedan Association and All India Muslim League. So the correct answer is going to be Mohammedan Association. It was founded in the year 1855 in Bengal. And this is going to be the first Muslim organization. Next question is, number of delegates in the Simla deputation of 1906 was? Option are 20, 25, 30 and 35. So the correct answer is going to be 35. Next question is, father of communal right is very important that we have to find out the father of communal right. Option are Lord Curzon, Minto, Wellesley and Canning. So the correct answer is going to be Lord Minto and he is credited with this being father of communal right because of Morley-Minto reform 1909. So this reform was passed by him and under this reform the very different thing was done for the Muslims that they were given separate electorate representative. Total number of seats that were allotted that were reserved for the Muslims was 8. And from this the communal divide between Muslims and Hindus became more concrete because of the legislatures. Next question is, separate representation of presidency, corporation, chamber of commerce, investors and zamindars was given through which act? Option are the Charter Act 1833, the Government of India Act 1858, Morley-Minto Reform of 1909 and the Government of India Act 1935. So the correct answer is going to be Morley-Minto Reform of 1909. With this reform they were given separate representation and this reform is very important because from this the constitutional changes that were being done by the Britishers start in India. And if you look at the syllabus of the NET, you have a separate topic in modern India section, that is constitutional reform from 1909 to 1935. That is why this Morley-Minto reform of 1909 becomes very important. Next question is, Indian Independence League was founded in which place? Options are Singapore, Japan, London and New York. So it was founded in Japan in 1928 and the founder was Ras Behari Bose. This man is very important when you look at the Indian national movement. Next question is, who has thrown bomb at Lord Hardinge in 1912? Very important. Options are Khudiram Bose, Ras Bihari Bose, Praful Chaki and Bhagat Singh. So this bomb at Lord Harding was thrown in 1912 by Ras Bihari Bose. After this, Bose flew to Japan and there he founded the league in 1928, that is Indian Independence League. And in this bomb, Lord Harding survived, but his Mahavat got killed. This throwing of bomb incident is known by different names. One name is Delhi conspiracy case, other name is Delhi Lahore case, and the third name is Harding bomb case. So it has different names, so you just remember those names. Next question is, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan died in which year? Option are 1894, 1896, 98 and 1912. So he died in the year 1898, and this becomes very important. Why? Because with his death, Aligarh politics deviated. The young leaders became close to ulemas and got influenced, leading to gradual Islamization of the Muslim politics. So there was also deviation from the loyalist stand to Britishers and a clear shift from Qaum to Ummah. This idea of Qaum was of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, where he talks about common descent. Okay, nation can be found with the common descent, but with the influence of ulemas, this Ummah thing came into picture in the Muslim politics, and this whole shift went to Muslim identity, that is Muslim religious identity. So we see that politics were entering into the Muslim politics. Next question is, the Congress president chosen in the 1907 Surat session was, option are Bipin Chandra Pal, Ras Bihari Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So it was Ras Bihari Bose who was selected in this 1907 Surat session, and this 1907 Surat session becomes important because of official split of INC into moderates and extremists. Next question is, we have to find out the incorrect statement. Option are, the similar deputation was held in the year 1906. This is true. It consisted of 35 members. Yes. The delegates were led by Aga Khan. Yes. In the deputation, they demanded separate Muslim electorate. Yes. And the total number of seats that were given to them as a separate electorate was 8, according to Maudley Minto reform of 1909. The last option is, Bengali Muslims participated enthusiastically. No, they didn't. They didn't participate in it enthusiastically, and the reason was because of the clash of interest. This similar deputation was led by Aligarh movement people, and their interest was very different from the Bengali Muslims. Next question is, the All India Muslim League was established in which year? Options are 1902, 1903, 1906 and 1910. So it was established in the year 1906, and it was established basically on 30 December 1906, and the founders include names like Aga Khan, Jinnah, Salimullah, Nawab Salimullah, and so on. And this league was founded in the Anglo-Muhammadan Oriental Conference that was being held since 1886. Next question is, the All India Muslim League drafted its constitution at Karachi in which year? Options are 1904, 1906, 1907, 1909. So they have drafted it in the year 1907, just 1 year after the formation of league. Next question is, the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Association was founded in which year and by whom? Options are 1868 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, 1877 by Syed Amar Ali, 1888 by Theodore Beck and 1893 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So it was founded in the year 1893 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and Theodore Beck had actually pushed him to establish this, and Also do remember that in 1893 there was a very widespread communal right in India too. So guys, this was for today. If you like this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Instagram and join us on Telegram. All the links are given in the description box below.
Let the doubt creep in, gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand